Refrain from consuming your bread at another's table. Exercise caution around deep water and silent dogs. True freedom encompasses the liberty to make mistakes. A bald-headed individual has no use for a comb. If unable to offer sugar, communicate with sweetness. Those who abstain from climbing will avoid falling. Sometimes, it's preferable to be blind than to perceive things from a singular perspective. In an unscalable tree, myriad fruits always abound. The eyes remain oblivious to what the mind refuses to acknowledge. A thief evading capture assumes a regal status. Even a frog may kick an elephant in distress. Rivers often harbor treasures unattainable in oceans. The thread unfailingly follows the path of the needle. 3 imprudent actions: singing to the deaf, conversing with the mute, and dancing for the blind. In a partnership, one partner invariably claims the superior share. Tug someone's ears, and their head will follow. Kindness may fade from memory, but acts of cruelty linger. True greatness emanates not from birth, but from relentless effort. Maintain a dignified appearance, even in times of seeking charity. Refrain from harming someone you could influence with sweetness. The initial day welcomes a guest, the second day embraces another guest, and by the third day, calamity ensues. Overcoming an angry individual requires gentleness, countering an evil person with goodness, addressing a miser through generosity, and confronting a liar with truth. Offering jewels to a donkey is as nonsensical as gifting a unicorn to a woman. A surplus of words indicates a deficiency of intelligence. Despite attempts to lock it up, the sun will inevitably rise. Introducing a cat to settle a dispute between 2 birds is ill-advised. The potter enjoys sound sleep, confident that no one would steal clay. Transitioning from an ex-king to a night watchman poses a significant challenge. One who possesses a genuine friend has no need for a mirror. An individual is shaped by their faith. Whatever faith they hold defines them accordingly. After 3 days, both fish and guests begin to exhibit a noticeable scent. Those focused on looking downwards may become enamored with their perceived greatness, yet gazing upwards, they acknowledge their own smallness. Living by the river prompts befriending the crocodile. Many can sing without understanding the lyrics. Where there is sunlight, there will also be shade. Confronting the devil requires responding in his own language. Drinking milk under a palm tree may lead people to mistake it for palm wine. Having consumed 900 rats, the cat embarks on a pilgrimage. Pursuing relationships with younger women necessitates 3 elements: money, fame, and humor. The world tends to flatter the elephant while trampling on the ant.